What up, YouTube fam? Welcome to another episode of Bolts and Boosts. Today we're going to be working on the F150 for once. And as you can see behind me here, I got my auto vent shade, AVS for short, bug deflector in. It's a low profile style. It is the black or smoked version of it. Not the chrome. I think you can get a clear one. A smoke, which is what I have, a matte, and a chrome. You can see them all right here on the box. I went for the smoke. Now, first step that I'm doing is I'm cleaning the bottom just because there was some gunk in here. There was a sticker here that left residue and a sticker there that left residue. So I cleaned it up. That way you didn't see the sticker. I took them off so you didn't see it through the bug deflector, and I'm just going to clean it up, get all the residue off, and then of course read the instructions as it says. So it has a QR code, so I'm going to check that out. It comes with 2 alcohol pads, I believe, and yeah, we'll get to it. All right, so step 1 of course is to wash the front end. It says with soap and water, and dry it. So I did that, and then step 2, we're gonna move on to the alcohol pads. So yeah, I'll try to put some screenshots in the video for you guys. I do have 3M on the truck. That is not gonna keep me from putting this thing on. Lots of friends have successfully installed these things, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. All right, so the alcohol has been laid down just to clean off the surface. And then the surface prep pad that came with it was the last step. And then I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna follow the instructions, which I'll put in a screenshot, which basically just telling you to start unraveling these, make them all unraveled, put it on, make sure it's all centered and good, and then start taking off the tape while it's on the vehicle. So that's what I'll be doing next. All right, so I got it in place. It was a little bit tricky. You obviously want to make sure that everything's going to line up to the edges so you're not catching anything. And I think I'm there. So I'm going to start taking off all the red ribbons here. And obviously, when you do it, you want to make sure they're pointing up or down so you can grab them. And I just used a right angle pick to get the sticker off, and that helps a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this here. You only get one shot, so make her count. All right, she's on, and I think I nailed it. Like I said, you wanna line it up before you put it on, because you only really get one shot at making it right, especially if you have 3M. The only thing that I see that I did wrong, but I don't even know if you could fix it because it's just the way that this plastic is cut. It's just this edge on the other side. Everything else lines up perfectly. That edge there is just a little, you could see the way the plastic is cut. It's just a little more angled out because up here is identical. So I did a pretty good job. My only worry was it contacting, but it's not. So I think I did good. Now it just says to press firmly along all of the tape edges to adhere it properly to the hood. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then we're gonna rip off the protector film and see what she looks like. And there you have it, an installed auto vent shade bug deflector. I did see a little couple marks from shipping after I took it off, which sucks. I hate that. Nothing I can do about it though. I'll send it back and I'll get another one that has the exact same thing, right? But it's meant to take the brunt of everything and still look good. So just to remind you, I have 3M. I did apply this over the 3M. To me, it's not a big deal. I'd rather have it on the 3M because there's a couple of contact points. They did put pads on the back of it to prevent any, contact rubbing issues with the metal, which is good. But nothing's ever perfect, so I'd rather this hurt my 3M and then I have to redo the 3M and buy another one of these type of thing. So I'm totally okay with that. But it looks fabulous, especially with the wheels and my black mirrors. I think it looks great. So I'm super happy with it. I'm gonna pop the hood and just make sure everything looks good underneath and go from there. But I will put this product in the description for you guys if you want to purchase it for your 2021, 2022 F-150. And yeah, the alignment is actually pretty much bang on. So stoked, looks good. I love modding my truck. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, gave you some insight on what to do and what to expect from this. I know I was asking the same questions, so I'm happy to put it out there for you. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, check out other videos on the channel, and subscribe. All right, everybody, peace.